Hey guys, I was getting started on working on something and I figured why not record it, because that's so we got a new truck. It's very cool. We also got something else. That was a horrible way of showing it. We got steps because we need steps for our truck, so I'm going to be installing them, and I've never done that before, so I think that'd be pretty interesting. So get ready to watch me undo screws and probably get mad at something not working the way it should. So yeah, let me show you guys underneath the car right now. Okay. So I need to remove these bolts right here so that I can put this here. It's not going to be difficult, it's just going to take some time. I already started on it, then I'm like, oh, I should probably record this so there's actually something to gain. But yeah, there we go. So I'm just going to set this up and you guys are going to watch me do it. Okay, there we go. 1 down, 7 more to go. Some of these are coming out a little harder than the others, and that's just because it's new. It's going to be a little harder to take certain things out. I need to tighten this. Alright, so I've decided that I need the power tool version of it because I'm not going to sit and do that all day. So I just need to go to Ace real quick and buy one of these that fits into one of these. Let's go. All right, I got it. It came in a pack of 4, but it holds it perfectly. There's no give, so this is exactly what I needed. I better not lose that. But yeah, now I just need to race home and start installing. All right, there we go. Got it ready, and now all I have to do is go down and start screwing. All right, so our drill isn't strong enough, and our screwdrivers aren't catching enough to where this will work. So now we need to figure out a different way to get these out, which is just great. All right, so I'm going to do something different now. Now I'm going to go back to the store and buy a stronger drill because theirs is only 20 watts and we think that having a stronger drill will undo, because it's so strong. I'm putting all my weight in there to turn it, nothing. So we need to get a machine to do it, so yay. Okay, so I went in there, the guy explained to me everything, and I got this thing. It looks small, but the way he described it, he said it's like a horse. It'll give you a good kick and it will do what it needs to do. So, second time coming to Ace, Hopefully this is the last time for the day or forever. I could do with never coming here again. But we're gonna use this thing, and I'm gonna use this thing, and I'm gonna finish the job. Whew. All right. So it works perfectly. This little thing right here. Look how strong that is. But yeah, just gotta set this up and we're done. Or we're on our way to being done. There we go. So now, all I have to do is tighten it up. And we're basically done on one side. So it's gonna take some time, but almost done. Just pop this on. In. I'm not gonna screw it all the way in yet, because I wanna make sure it's looking good. There we go. It's one. There we go. Put a little bit of, I mean, it's gonna shake a little bit because I still need to put the stuff on it, but there we are. Okay. Now I just need to repeat the process. There we go. Half of it's done, all installed. And the other half is going to be like so much easier just because I know what to do now. But yeah, now I can't finish now because I have to go take a lunch break. We're having spaghetti and meatballs, so that's very exciting. That's one of my favorite things. I'm going to kind of put everything away just so it doesn't get blown in the wind. But I'll be right back. This was all done in record time because of this little thing right here. There we go. I just need to set it up. Trying to beat the rain. So hopefully I finish before. I had to put these on, not because I think they look cool, which they do, but because there's like little tiny bits of metal falling. So I just wanted to make sure to keep. Oh, also it came with gloves. I didn't wear them. I just thought to wear them because they were funny. But yeah, no, they come with little gloves. I don't know why. Probably because if you're not using a tool, your hands are going to get super oily. But not a problem I had. All right, I'm done. Finally put it in. When me and my dad asked like a store how to do it, they're like, oh, it's like $1,000 something. I'm $1,000. Now look at it. It's all done. No issues at all. I can even get on it and bounce. No issues at all. Yeah, here is our brand new beautiful truck, Toyota Tundra, purchased from XS Auto Group. My dad. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, look them up. They have great. Oh, Ishkan. Psst. Yeah, let me show you inside the car. It is massive. Like, if I didn't put the step here, it's very hard to get in. But yeah, it still has that absolutely new car smell. But steering wheel shift, it has right here some modes that you put it in. 4-wheel drive for wet, cold, and like difficult terrain. 4-wheel drive regular, and then regular mode. There is tow mode. But yeah, the one weird thing is it doesn't have power seats, and no truck has power. I learned that, where trucks just don't have power seats, but I mean, it's whatever. Look how big it is though. Like, it's huge. And here is the trunk of the car. It has dirt in it because we were just hauling flowers and stuff, but it is huge. Like, you can fully lie down in it and just nothing happens. But there we go. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, до свидания.